We've got a special visitor today. Sammer's here. Yeah. Just a loud car masked at an apartment complex. I'm not a bad neighbor or anything, I swear. Heading off to the garage, we're gonna do some work to this car today. Finally, getting back with the wrenches after moving out in all that catastrophe. So, and Cyber's here in front of the cop shop doing no balls. What? Let it rip. All right. Oh God. So this is what I got to deal with. It's just a pain. Yo.
Croc Shop special. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Let's zoom in. Yeah, gotta get rid of all this.
Look, I cleaned it up a little bit in here, eh?
Yep.
Well, yeah, finally, a little shiner.
We're gonna start the Mazda speed swap on here. So I gotta pull the engine and pull the tranny.
Yeah, in an hour and a half, yeah.
Yeah, and we gotta find a motor. And Colton needs to find some money. And
some money, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
So today, we've got two things going on with the intake this weekend. I gotta bump out an oil change, but with the oil change, I had a request to do a throttle body clean. So since we're doing an intake, because I got a cold air intake we're doing next video, I figured I'm gonna show you guys how to clean up your intake area and just so you guys, you know, have a clean running car. Which includes the MAF sensor and the throttle body. So while I pound out an oil change, we're also gonna do the throttle clean, and then next video we're gonna hit off a sneak peek of that purple boy back there. Get going, Sammer. This is all you, buddy.
Because I'm certified now.
You're certified Mazda change to Volkswagen kind of guy.
No. First, you pop your cap, you look at it. See, there's no milky in there. That means it's not good. You want milky.
No, you don't. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Not really.
Lick it. Well, that's the good stuff, eh?
Yeah, that's not bad. You can know that's synthetic because it's got a little bit of that like little burn and tingly on your tongue, you know?
A little bit of twang.
Yeah. And then magically in 1, 2, 3, it's up like that, like magic.
This one's silver label because the gold stuff was on. Boom, OEM filter because OEM. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this oil change done, and then we'll work on that intake.
So depressing, man. Where's the hype in the voice? Yeah, we're gonna do an oil change. We'll start the car and we're gonna do an oil change.
Oh wow, you're quick,
buddy. Look at this. Look at this strength right here. Just like
what?
Bro, just
what?
You don't even need any tools.
Oh, get the rag, bro. There you go. Yeah. So Sammer being the oil lube tech he is. Look at that. Look at that smile and that. What are you doing? Oh, Sammer comes on a vacation and you get him all dirty. Look at that.
Can we open the garage for air?
Are you musty?
Jace is a baby. Shit. Shit. I don't have anything. No!
Okay guys, so the first thing that we're gonna go after here is we're gonna get the MAF sensor cleaned. But while we're doing this is I'm gonna delete the air box because we're gonna do the cold air intake install. So once we've done the MAF sensor clean, then we're gonna move to the throttle body, clean the throttle body out here. Sanjeev?
Sponsor us, Smirnoff.
It's all good.
I was like, that bounce. I was like, yo.
You're okay.
Alright, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so this is exactly what you do. Take your MAF sensor out.
Sensor, and then unplug this.
Oh my god, look at. Oh. I guess we're doing a throttle body cleaning, right?
MAF sensor, we'll leave that to the side. Now we're gonna go after the throttle body. So you gotta take all your shit off.
Undo this one.
Move!
Certified! Colton, just look at you, broke everything. Can I do it on it? Can I throw it?
No.
No.
Let me throw it. Take it and just install.
Colder intake.
It's supposed to be a red tab here that you flick up and then it comes off like
Yeah, it
nice
should
and
be
easy.
yeah.
But somebody broke it.
Okay, pretend this is like not broken. There's gonna be like a red thing that you just hook right here and you pull it back. Don't completely remove it, otherwise you'll lose it, like Colton did. Hovering up a little bit, then you push in on this black tab and pull straight out.
Guys, we got a clutch for this thing too, eh? And some cool shift knob stuff.
Oh, but that's warm, dude.
Look at this.
Okay, watch out, my fingers. Oh, my finger's pinched. My finger's pinched.
This is Colton putting his drill on Titan and then attempting to break all these studs.
You want studs broken? Let me in.
Oh, my throttle ground. That probably doesn't even work anymore.
So don't do what I did and don't break one of them in your car. Over tightening it.
You over tightened it?
Yeah. Nice. So just hand tight and a little snug at the end, and that's all we need. Look at that. See, here's another thing with the great Mazda engineers. Their PCV systems suck, and on the NA, it really sucks to actually run a proper catch can.
Throttle body clean, sensor clean. Since we're at the throttle body, grab some sensor clean, mass airflow sensor cleaner. This is what senses everything. You'll notice probably it's gonna be black on one side and brown on the other. I'd clean both sides. This stuff evaporates quickly, but it cleans it and will make your car drive nice. So I literally just pound it, and I do get close up with it so that it sprays the dirt off, because you can't touch it with your fingers. So I don't think I cleaned this too long ago. And just like that, now your car is going to run a lot better, to be honest with you.
Another thing that works good is if you have a really, really long brush.
If you guys can clean some of this out, then it's better than nothing. So if we could take it out, that would be great, but we're not going to be able to. So I'm going to go in from the back side to start. Sammer. Yeah, you're good, bro.
Certified.
Certified. Go clean this baby. So not as clean, well, it is a lot cleaner, and it doesn't make a crunching noise when you open it.
Certified.
Clean.
Certified.
Certified.
Certified. So that concludes today's video, because next video will be this baby. We're gonna put this baby on.
What? Where are you going? You're putting that on today, aren't you? Mm-hmm. So put it on.
So next time here, we're gonna go ahead and put that intake in. So if you guys are putting this back together, it just goes together like you guys took it out. So throttle body in, and then make sure you put all your plugs in and everything, and that's good to go. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching today, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like and comment down for Sammer's little visit.
Certified.
Certified merch. Certified merch.
Yeah.
Certified.
Bring back Mazda squad merch. I said it.
Soon.
I said it.
Soon.
I said it.
Soon.
Guys,
Shirts, hoodies.
Colton,
Shirts and hoodies this year.
I'm gonna make shirts, hoodies. I'm
Shirts
gonna make
and
a
hoodies
banner,
this
I'm
year.
gonna make stickers.
No.
Didn't make
No.
nothing.
Shirts and hoodies this year.
You didn't make anything.
I promise. Promise. Pinky swear. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.